Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to locate and utilize the cross glow effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. Once you have it there, we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, Nightclub, and then scroll down to find the cross glow effect. We're going to click, drag it down to the timeline right above the clip. And we're going to set it to the beginning of the clip and elongate it towards the end of the clip to fit the entirety of the timeline. Now, with it being highlighted, we're going to go up to Special Effects and we can mess with the strength, glow, range, and size of the effect. So let's check it out. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thanks for watching again, guys. Have a great day.